dividing two irrational numbers, so the answer may be rational or irrational. In addition subtraction, it is sure that we will get irrational number only, but in multiplication and division the answer can be rational as well as irrational. In multiplication, even in division, you may get rational or irrational number. So this was operation on irrational number. So here in the operand both were rational or irrational. Now let us see, if we add, subtract, multiply and divide rational with irrational, what will be the result? So let us add one rational and one irrational. So let us take rational as 3 and irrational as 2 root 2. This is rational number, this is an irrational number. So if we add, can you solve it further without taking it root 2 as decimal? You can't. Okay, so the result is 3 plus 2 root 3 is again an irrational number. Irrational. So rational plus irrational, you will always get an irrational number. Then what about if you subtract? 3 minus 2 root 2. This is rational, this is an irrational. So again rational minus irrational. Can you solve it further? No. So again it will be an irrational only. So if you add or subtract rational and irrational, the answer will be irrational. What about multiplication? If you multiply rational number with irrational number, 3 2s are 6 root 2. Again 6 root 2 is an irrational number. So rational into irrational will again be an irrational number. Okay. But what about division? Eight upon 2 root 2. 8 is rational, 2 root 2 is irrational. So 2 1s are 2 2s are, sorry, 2 1s are 2 4s are 8. Okay, so this 4 I can write it as 2 into 2 upon root 2. This root 2, this 2 can be written as root 2 into root 2. So 1 root 2 cancel, so it will be 2 root 2. 2 root 2 is again irrational number. So even if you divide rational irrational, your answer will be irrational number. Okay, so to summarize, rational, when you are doing any operation on rational numbers, the result will be rational number only. Even if you add two rational numbers, the result will be rational number. If you subtract two rational number, result will be a rational number. If you multiply or divide two rational number, the result will be rational number only. Then we saw about irrational numbers. When you are adding and subtracting irrational to irrational numbers, the result will be irrational only. But when you are multiplying or dividing two irrational numbers, the result may be rational or irrational. So you may, sometimes you may get rational, or you may also get irrational result. Okay, and then we saw about operations on rational irrational. So when you are performing operations on rational and irrational, the result will always be the irrational, even if you add, subtract, divide or multiply. Okay, so only the changes are where when you are multiplying and dividing irrational numbers, both irrational numbers, that time your result may be rational or irrational. Okay, so don't get confused. Always remember this. When you are performing any operation or on rational numbers, the result will be rational only. When you are performing any operation on rational and irrational, then the result will be irrational only. Only when you are multiplying, adding and subtracting, when you are adding and subtracting irrational numbers, the result will be irrational only. Only the change is where when you are multiplying and dividing two irrational number, the result will be a rational or irrational number. Okay,